Hello everyone, welcome back with another brand new video and defense. Today I have rather bring awesome project crypto member pack is called GLAS token. The first utility plus mimi GLAS tokens here glow acne free skin and skin of design everyone's skincare journey, especially those taking acne while also embracing the lighter side of life. Through Mimi's community engagement so first class and pre-sees live on owing is at stage 5 and given by also glass token. So right now, and the project is already ordered by a Queen Research. Here you can also back out here audit reports and you can find out details how you can participate right now. So but do you have on research defense here? You can also check it out the current price 0.02 and next price will be here 0.27. The $5 they are already 90% completed the next day. This is the best time to buy right now. You can also grab opportunity and you can also spend your Ethereum, USDT and USDC, and you can also easily buy it. First, all you need to collect your wallet, and you can also choose your wallet like Metamask and Phantom Trust Wallet and others wallet here, which you can some balance like here Ethereum, USDC. Then you need to put your amount and must be a spend, and then you can check it out how much token you can get easily. If you spend 100 USD, then you'll get 5,000 glass token. You can hold it and later you can sort of make a lot of passive income defense. You can also spend your money from the card as well here. Simple way to choose your crypto with your cryptocurrency and your debit card and credit card. You can buy the amazing token here. Over here we can also check it out here the benefits of glass token. First of all, utilities. So glass token where every step in that skincare and journey become more rewarding. And this including here you can also check all details as well. You can also check the reward engagement and latest and lost token is not just getting right products about keeping. So you engaging and motivational excited about your skincare journey. Here you can also check it out the game function elements here. You can start care can't be fun lost tokens here. They are leading a little excitement the skincare routine as well. Now you could check it out the ecosystem glass token ecosystem designed by simple engaging rewarding every step. You can also learn about the onboarding token and spending the token reward will be also check it out in next research development with also glass token. You have say directional and platform allow user to vote now statement or product services and even features of platform. So it will next minute more community travel to skin here also involving their feedback. So keeping here the fresh and effective. So that's where you have introduced a token based feedback system here. So you can also learn about the token mixed defense. You can also check it out 10 billion token total supply. So you can also find out your contract address defense 40% reserve and reward communities third party present ecosystem 20% of operational and 10% of initial public sale. So don't miss out the public sale here by right now but your own research and you'll check it out here. Blue acne free skin roadmap in phase here. You can see the foundation development here in phase 2 token launch earlier and this free phase 3 ecosystem expenses skincare marketplace launch subscription service NFT skincare progress here theoretical engagement reward as well. You can also check it out more detail about. You can also check it out phase governance and the community development and you can check it out about a 5 global expansion and we are not well as you are doing many more things here next phase. You can also check it out the frequently asked question. You can also hear question their answer. If you have any questions you can make the commercial ever apply. You can their friends to also recommend their must be follow on their social media. Latest news here updates here the official X code must be followed. The skincare of idea behind the glass effective a cryptocurrency design. And now you can see here the cryptocurrency design here and every skincare journey is also here the participate defense and you can check it out all details amazing project I also recommend to all must be follow them and Telegram groups here, Twitter account. You can see here I must be follow Telegram groups here and latest news and updates here. The different the next gem project here kill. It can really help make a lot of passive income in skincare also. So you must join us here. Sure like the video. I hope you sure like this video. Share your friends. See you in next videos. Thanks for watching. And now you can see here. This is the Telegram account. Follow them for its updates. So I hope you understand all the videos. I hope you understand you like the videos. So see you in next videos. Bye bye.